On the way back. On the way back from the store. Nice little lucrative walk. Like I said, I guess I put about a 30 piece on that bit. A little less maybe. Just depends. Birds keeping up a fuss up in the tree line. It's all about coming one with nature at the end of the day, ain't it? You can't do it for that reason. What you doing it for? Damn, look at this sign in the yard. This shit speaks of me. I want to take it, but they might feel offended. What that shit say? Weed Pro. That me. Crop cook, man. Yeah, it's raw paper. Don't judge me. But on this Sunday and any other day, I just want, I hope people are, giving thanks to the Creator for the opportunity again to be better, thrive, live better, encourage someone else, uplift someone else, make their situation a little better than what it was. That's a good start. Can't save the world, but fuck. Maybe you might. You never know. Just depends on how shit rolls. You know what I mean? Who you touch, who you help. They may be influenced enough to be able to bust a move and make more differences. A chain reaction, you feel me? On the dominoes type shit. So, rich one, teach one. You know better, do better, man. Don't sit around talking about, well, didn't nobody help me and this old shit. Shit. Unless you go to tailgate so fucked up with no release. Somebody tried to help your ass. Cause you got here looking at me smoke good. With internet access and shit. So it ain't all bad, my nigga. I believe that. I don't see that. So 2015, let's free to marry, man. Let's get this shit legal in all 52, man. And then some. I just want to address the medical aspect first. And then we'll go recreational. Cause niggas need time. We ain't gonna bust their head all at once. We ain't gonna make it super strict to get down with it either. Ailments that the drug in their qualifications, the plant, is known to be helpful for. Chronic pain. You know what I mean? Mental issues. Cancers, lupus, cirrhosis, all type of shit. Anything you can think of, cramps, the whole kit and caboodle. Calm down, responsibly medicate at home, in the privacy. Do your thing. Know what you smoking, know you getting the best shit. Know ain't nothing in your shit. That's what it's all about. Where's your boy? Where's your boy? Ugly ass little dog. Look at him. Ugly. But let's do it the right way, man. Let's get out of the dark, as the You know what I mean? The reason why people out here scared and nervous and paranoid about some shit that's God given to us. Let's never forget God given at the end of the day. Look at these trees. Look at my view. I'm right in the tree line, man. Like a fucking forest or some shit. But the atmosphere is out here for us. We all in it. And just like any of this, I'm not making money on any of this lumber. So I guess nobody's feeling no type of way about all this lumber and this nature being at my grasp. You know what I mean? This lumber, to their knowledge, don't make you high if you grind it up, smoke it, do whatever you want to do with it, ingest it in some form. This shit is just earth, man. No more, no less, just earth. They telling me you got a little piece of earth, but that we'll lock you up for. These niggas don't want you connected with your creator. That's the whole thing. They'll tell you, shit, America free. But you targeted if your ass is a certain religion. You targeted if you got a certain belief system. You targeted if you know what I mean, want to be all independent in thought and whatnot. We got shit for niggas like that. So think about that next time when you think you free. How free are you, my G? Out this bitch.